Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to reset a Honda Pilot oil light. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, use the Select/Reset button, typically found on your dashboard, pressing it multiple times. This action cycles through various displays on your information screen. You'll want to find the Engine Oil Life message, which indicates the remaining oil life percentage. Once you see the Engine Oil Life display, press and hold the Select/Reset button for about 10 seconds. The display should start blinking, confirming you are in reset mode. Release the button briefly, then press and hold it again for another 5 seconds. This second hold confirms your intention to reset the oil life monitor. The display will then show 100% oil life. After completing the steps, verify that your oil life display now reads 100%. This confirms the successful reset of your Honda Pilot's maintenance minder system. Remember, resetting the light does not replace the need for an actual oil change. Always follow your vehicle's recommended service intervals to ensure optimal engine performance and longevity. Proper maintenance is key to a reliable vehicle. If the oil light remains on after following these steps, it might indicate another issue or a different maintenance code. Always refer to your Honda Pilot's owner's manual for specific instructions tailored to your model, as procedures can vary slightly. Regular maintenance, including timely oil changes, is vital for your vehicle's health. Also, for those looking to enhance their home, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.